Alright, are you ready to get going? I hope that you're excited. We, like I mentioned, are talking about layout tonight. So what is it that really makes a layout look great to the eye? I'm going to talk about 3 specific things that you can use on your page to really make it work. The first is repetition. So repeating some element on your page. Like, for example, you can repeat color, you can repeat shape, you can repeat a type of embellishment. So, for example, you could have a bunch of flowers, but something that is repetitive is really pleasing to the eye and really will make your page look very cohesive. So, my specific page, I am going to repeat shape of a photo box. So I'm going to show you how I do that really quickly. I've added a photo box. I've just used this little icon. I've clicked add photo box, and now I am going to copy that photo box. So I want to create a repetition. I'm going to do 6 of the same photo box. So I'm just going to press Control C, Control V. It's going to copy it right over, and I'm going to move it right there. Now I'm going to do again, Control C, Control V, and I'm going to move this little guy over here. So already I have created a repetition on my page, 3 photo boxes, and I am going to go ahead and drag my mouse over all 3, then come up here, and I want to align them along the middle. Oops. I'm going to make this box a little smaller. There we go. Align along the middle there, and mine were actually pretty good, but that will pull them all so they're all perfectly spaced. Now I'm going to select this entire box again. I have another box going on down here. Let me just delete that. I'm not sure what that is. So I'm going to select these 3 again, and now I'm going to do the same thing, Control C, Control V, and this time I will bring those 3 photo boxes right below the first 3. So right there, in about 10 seconds, I've created a great start for a page using 6 of the same size of a photo box. So using repetition. The other way that I'm going to use repetition on my page tonight is by the photos that I add. So I'm going to add a series of photos of my little baby, all in, like maybe 30 seconds that I snapped of her. So using the same photos, so either photos from, the same event or of the same person, anything like that that will create repetition is a great start for your page. So think as you get started about something that you want to repeat on your page. You can follow my example and repeat a size or shape of photo box. You can, oops, I didn't mean to do that. I can't talk and do this at the same time. You can think of an embellishment that you would like to repeat. You can think of a color that you would like to repeat if you want to, do a mat around all your photos and then do a text that's the same color. So something that repeats that can help tie your page together is our first key design principle for layout, repetition. So go ahead, think about that. Start working on your page. When you're ready, watch the next video and we can move on to our next step.